Hi, welcome back to Saddler Up Nails. So today I'm going to show you how I like to paint leopard print. Now, I do want to preface this that I did record this content a year ago, and it has taken me until now to edit it. So things might be a little different than what I do currently. So in this one, I am prepping the nail with base coat. I am using Bioseaweed Gel's stronger base. This is either because I ran out of Young Nails Protein Bond or I didn't start using Protein Bond to prep the nails yet. I think I ran out though. So I'm prepping the nail with a base coat, curing that, and then I'm going to be using this very old gel polish, N.O.Q Jelly Queen. I do not even know if they still make this. I do have a dupe color for Madame Glam. So in the description box, I am going to put Madame Glam's dupe color instead of the information for this color. Okay. So we are just painting this on. It is a very thick gel polish. Therefore, I am trying to get it as thin as I can so that it fully cures properly and doesn't cause any rippling, because we all know that if your polish is too thick, it can start to wrinkle on you if it does not fully cure. So that is the first coat. And now we are going to do the second coat. And a tip here, when you're using thick polish, paint the bottom half of the nail first. And then when you go in at the cuticle, your brush glides down the whole nail nice and smooth. So I like to do it this way when I'm working on long nails. Short nails, not so much, but that's just a little tip for you. And this polish color, I did only do 2 coats because, as you can see, it is very thick and very opaque. So after that is cured, for the leopard print, I'm going to be using Bioseaweed Gel's Milk Chocolate. And this is going to be for the center of the dots of the leopard print. And now I am using my very, very old Akzentz #2 detail brush. This is an excellent brush. However, it is a little bit, it's a little bit expensive for a brush. So I don't think you need to pay that much for nail art brushes anymore. So I actually don't use this brush anymore. I now use the Madame Glam detail brushes. So I'll put the details for this one in the description, but then I'm also going to add Madame Glam's info as well. So I am just randomly painting, they're not dots, okay? I don't like to do uniform shapes when it comes to animal print. Animal print is very random. It's not really a pattern, so try not to stick to a pattern. Okay, do it random. And I also prefer a brush over a dotting tool because I find the dotting tools clump the polish, like it makes it like a dollop, and then it's just not flat on the nail, it's bumpy. So that is why I prefer to paint these on with a detail brush versus using a dotting tool. But do what you want, do what works best for you, okay? So after those are down, I'm curing them. They're in the lamp. You can see that blue hue of light. So the nail is being cured as we speak. And then for the outside detailing of the leopard print, I'm using Eggplant, which is a very, very dark brown. I do not know why they named it Eggplant. Eggplants are purple, are they not? I don't. Anyways, so this is Eggplant. It is a very, very dark brown. You could also use black. It pretty much actually looks black, but I don't know. I just wanted to use a different shade of brown, and I'm just going around the edges of the previous color we put down, and I'm also doing individual leopard print in between that don't have the color. This is just something I do. I don't even know if I really seen other nail artists do it this way. I just like the way that it looks. So just randomly kind of add little lines and dollops around the edges of your color. And then I also add some solid color kind of dots in between as well. Put your own spin on it though, guys. Like, that's what nail art is all about. Any sort of art, you know, add your own spin to things. There are no rules when it comes to art, I guess, except for copyright laws. But even then you have room to, you know, put your own spin on it and get away with the copyright. But this is not about copyright. Okay. So we're just going around the edges with the dark color, and I am floating my brush. I am not putting down much pressure at all. I like to pick up kind of a nice little ball of product there, and then I just float it over. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm not really adding any pressure at all. I'm kind of just letting the gel do its thing, you know. So you kind of just have to practice. It's really hard to explain, but I'm not putting much pressure at all. I'm just kind of putting the tip of the gel down and then letting it kind of glide along the tip of the brush, if that makes sense. So at this point, I'm just kind of looking for open spaces to fill in, to finish off the nail. Make sure you look over your nail entirely before you finish your design, because once you've top coated and everything, it's really annoying when you like see kind of a gap or a open spot that you wish you know, added detail to. So really have a good look over of the entire nail. That's what I'm doing right now before you decide to cure it. So we are doing a no wipe glossy top coat. I'm using Ugly Duckling. It is my favorite no wipe top coat. Akzentz is really good as well, and so is the Madam Glam no wipe top coat. However, if I were to choose one, it would definitely be the Ugly Duckling. It's worth the price. I don't care. It's the top coat. It's your final, it's like your final coat of the nail. If you're going to spend money on any nail polish, spend money on your top coat. So there we go. That is the glossy finish. And then I also decided to show you guys matte. So now I am coming in with my matte Ugly Duckling. I didn't show you the bottle. I don't know why. I'm kind of irritated now. So this is matte. It is Ugly Ducklings. Their matte is not a no wipe. It does have a dispersion layer. However, I find that it's not streaky at all. There's absolutely no streaking with their matte top coat. It doesn't lose its matte finish. It's also my favorite when it comes to matte top coats. So here I am removing that dispersion layer, and there is the matte finish. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.